Need to localize your app, game, or website for new countries? Because the global market provides vast opportunities for any business. But localizing a fast-developing product even into one language can be a real pain. And what about when you need to arrange continuous localization into several languages at once? The Alconost localization service helps to solve this problem. Our professional team and lean, cloud-based process will localize your product quickly. You send us your resource files in any format and tell us which languages you need them localized into. The files are uploaded to a specialized platform, and the strings are extracted to be translated. Our translators then join the project. Translation memory and a glossary of terms ensure that the translation remains consistent, and the platform also makes it easy to exchange information and make corrections. Then, if necessary, the text is verified and corrected by editors. Translated files can be downloaded straight from the platform, or even more conveniently, you can upload and download the strings automatically using the API or from the command line. So you can make localized builds every hour if you need to. We have arranged things so that the development of your product and the localization of it into multiple languages can take place simultaneously. This is convenient if the product is frequently updated. If you have a localization or translation task in mind, just go to our site, request a quote, and we'll be in touch right away. Get professional localization with Alconost.